channel. So today I'm going to be making a chickpea pilau rice, so let's begin. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to add an onion. So we're just going to cook this on a high heat just to allow this to turn brown. So while the onions are cooking, so we're going to be using 1 cup of basmati rice, and I'm going to now just soak these. Okay, so these look just right, so I'm going to add a dash of water. I'm going to now add the chickpeas. So I'm using 1 can of chickpeas. So keeping it on a high heat, I'm going to add a tablespoon of whole cumin, a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of garam masala. Just going to mix this up. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of water. So I'm going to now allow this to come to the boil. In the meantime, I'm going to drain my rice. Okay, this is now ready. I'm going to add the rice, which I've drained. We're going to mix this and then cook this furthermore until there's 80% of water. So let's just carry on cooking this. Okay, so I'm going to lower the heat. So I've covered the lid with a tea towel. So I'm going to just leave this on here until the rice is cooked. So the rice is now ready. We're going to now plate this up. So our chickpea pilau rice is now ready. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and thanks guys for watching.